5, 6, 7, 8.
Sometimes I feel so misunderstood. The whole world looks at me like I'm crazy. Sometimes my words don't come out like they should, but somehow you know what I'm saying. You get me, you know me, we're connected, it's a soul thing. You read me like a book, you've memorized inside and out. My reason, my purpose, my deep down, my surface. You're the only one who's ever had a clue what I'm about. You get me. When I'm with you, talk about comfortable. It's so easy to be myself. There are no games, no awkwardness at all. I've never felt this way with anyone else. Oh, you get me, you know me, we're connected, it's a soul